Hi, and welcome to the first ever episode of the Mail Day with BeardedTinker. Let's get started. Before we start, I have to apologize. The sound was very bad. It was recorded on my old mic and I had to redo the sound again, so sorry for that one. So let's get started. This one is for my Ender 3 Pro printer. I've seen some YouTube videos and read some reviews on the internet. I've seen that a lot of people had a problem with the first layer adhesion, so I ordered a steel spring bed with pay sticker on it. The package comes in two parts. First part is all metal steel bed. You don't see here a PEI sticker because it's on the underside of it. And I will be keeping my plastic wrapper on it for now because I don't want to get fingerprint smudges before I really install it on my printer. Second part is magnetic sticker. It should be more or less pretty similar to the original one, so I'll be keeping it, although specification does say that it should go to up to 100 or 120 degrees for the heated bed. So maybe in future I will be putting it on my printer. So let's take a look at the web listing for this spring steel bed. I bought it from this store. The link will be down in the description. I had to use 235 by 235 millimeter dimension because I had put it now already on my Ender 3 Pro bed, and this is the standard dimension of the Ender 3 Pro bed. One thing I have to notice that I think that price I bought it for was around $24–25, so it is a bit more expensive now. The shipping was via seller's shipping method, but this was China airmail, so the package arrived very quickly in around 10 days or maybe 2 weeks maximum. Also, as I mentioned earlier, in the specification it says that it can endure higher temperatures up to 140 centigrades without losing magnetism. So this is something that I will not be bothering at this moment because I'm mostly printing with PLA. But I will surely test it in the future. And as you can see, reviews are more or less positive. Let me get back to the reviews. It's more or less positive, 5-star reviews. Most of them are 5 stars. There are a couple of comments that are negative. Let's see what the negative. No, nothing special here. Okay. The next one, it's not that technical, but it's aesthetic. I have my gaming headset, a Logitech gaming headset, for some time, and I've used it quite a lot, both me and my kids. So the earpods have started to break down and I had to buy a new ones. It was either this or buy a new headset, and I really do love my headset, so I went for the just earpods or earbuds. The package is really nothing special. You only have 2 pieces inside. The process of exchanging is very simple. As you can see, these ones are very torn, so you just have to peel the old ones off and push the old ones, put new ones on. This is a web listing for the replacement Logitech earpads. The cost of them is $1.48, including free shipping to Croatia via China Post registered airmail. They also arrived in less than 2 weeks, so it was really great to have them better sooner than later. One thing is that I really wish they would snug a little bit better, not to the ears but to the headset itself. But on the other hand, they are really great, and I cannot say anything badly about them, especially for the price they cost. There are only 5 customer reviews. The score is more or less okay. There are a couple of bad reviews, and as far as I see, most of them are based on the packages not arriving. and you have to be aware that depending on the type of the shipping method you use, you could have potential problems with that. Okay, this is how it looks after the earbuds have been mounted. So let's get on the last package I have for today. And this one is something I have been looking forward to because my, unfortunately, very new old mic has died, so I had to order the new one. The package did come a bit squished. It was torn on the bottom side, but that's because the seller has included in the set two windshields, and those two windshields have been inserted into the original box. The box comes with the manuals and warranty. Of course, try to get the warranty out of the China seller, but that's another issue. The windshields I still haven't tested. They looked okay, although they were squished a bit. But they look okay for the price I got them. In this original manufacturer bag you will find the microphone. The microphone itself has very long cords. It doesn't come with the windshield mounted on it, so the spongy windshield, you have to mount it. It's included in the bag. In the bag also there are some other accessories. Let me put those things away first. So in the bag you will find, as I said, this sponge windshield, which pretty neatly fits onto the mic. Second thing you can find in this bag is, of course, the adapter for the microphone. Battery, since this microphone operates on the active component, and you can select if it's going to be used as a computer microphone or phone microphone. You have to insert the battery in this middle part. It's pretty straightforward. You just have to unscrew this metal screw and more or less just insert the battery inside and screw it back. As you can see, yeah, it says computer or smartphone, depending on the type of application you will be using it. And the last thing inside the bag is a clip for the microphone. It's very hard to press, but on the other hand, that also means that it will be snugged more. So it will be harder for the microphone to fall down if you put it on your shirt or somewhere. And web listing for the BOYA BWM1 Lavalier clip mic is this one. I bought it from DH Photo Store. It was shipped from the China, and I did go for the smallest package that includes windshields, two of them in the package. The shipping was also free to Croatia via China Post Registered and Mail, and the total cost was less than 20 bucks. I have to say that I was going back and forth between various mics and looking at the reviews on the YouTube and reading all the reviews, also trying to get the most value out of the investment. I did go for this one, and current recording I'm doing on this mic, as I already said, so I'm really happy with it. The quality of the sound is great, and I tried it both with computer, my mobile phone, and also with the camera I'm using. So I would definitely recommend this one. The customer reviews are various, but most of them are 5 stars, so the total rating is 4.9, so I really would recommend. Of course, the link is down in the description. We have come to the end of the first mail day with the BeardedTinker. I hope you enjoyed it. I apologize for any kind of video editing or audio mistakes. I definitely will try and improve it in the future. My plan and schedule for future is to have one mail day video every 14 days on Sunday evening, Central European time. So please subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Of course, if you like it, please thumbs up. If you have any comment, suggestion or idea, please leave it in the comment, and I definitely hope to see you again very soon. Also coming this week is the first video in the Synology series, so once again, subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thank you very much and have fun. Bye bye.